Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting clean levels. Lower input gain if peaks clip and aim for peaks around -6 to -12 dB so the gate reacts predictably. Once done, drop the threshold until you hear steady noise reduction but not choppy cuts. This defines what the gate treats as noise versus signal. Make sure to pick a fast attack, 1 to 10 milliseconds, for transient control and a moderate release, around 100 to 300 milliseconds, to avoid abrupt fades. Next, refine timing to preserve natural speech or instruments. You should lengthen hold or release if syllables or reverb tails are being cut off. This prevents choppy results. Then solo the track or use sidechain listen mode so you can hear gate behavior in isolation and make precise adjustments. Also change the attenuation or reduction amount. Deeper cuts remove more noise but can sound unnatural, so balance transparency versus cleanliness until the audio stays full when active and quiet when idle. To finish, always listen in context with the mix so the gate reacts correctly next to other elements. Nudge the threshold a hair as needed. If you notice pumping or unnatural artifacts, soften attack or release times and reduce attenuation. This makes transitions smoother. If noise is tonal or frequency specific, use a mild multiband gate or an expander to preserve transients while removing only the offending band. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.